Hello everyone. Let's write words with digraph sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. Sink. Sink. Let's write the word sink. S I nk. S I nk. Sink. Sank. Sank. Let's write the word sank. S A nk. S A nk. Sank. Well done everyone. Fantastic job. Bunk. Bunk. Let's write the word bunk. B A nk. B A nk. Bunk. Like bunk bed. Bunk. Bank. Bank. B A nk. B A nk. Bank. Great work. Well done. Fantastic job. Hello parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Song. Song. Let's write the word song. S O ng. S O ng. Song. Sing. Sing. Let's write the word sing. S I ng. S I ng. Sing. Great work. Well done. Fantastic job. Long. Long. Let's write the word long. L O ng. L O ng. Long. Ring. Ring. Let's write the word ring. R I ng. R I ng. Ring. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Fantastic.